Okay, so how is it exactly that complete newbies are earning up to $2,000 a day online without having to do any sort of selling, without having to cold call anyone, without having to do any sort of technical setup process or doing any sort of webinars or anything along those lines? How is it possible that complete newbies are earning up to $2,000 a day online? I'm going to reveal exactly how this is done and exactly how you could do the exact same thing, like exactly what you see right here on the screen in my back office, as well as what other members are able to do as well. Now, what I'm also going to do in this video is I want to help ensure that when you, of course, decide to take action, and you, of course, decide to, take action on what I show in this video, I want to ensure that you get the best of results possible. And what I'm willing to do for you is when you take action in this video, as in when you watch it all the way through and you take action, not only am I going to give you the exact system that myself and these other members are using, but I'm also going to give you a free training series along with it that's going to show you literally everything that I'm doing step by step to create these types of results online, and exactly what, pretty much these other members are using as well, right? So the benefit is not only are you going to have access to a proven system that will do pretty much 90% of the heavy lifting for you, but with this free training that I'm including, I'm literally showing you over the shoulder everything that I'm doing to create these types of results online. And all you have to do is simply follow along in what I show and, of course, take action, right? The only way that you'll fail with what I'm going to reveal in this video is if you decide to literally do nothing, as in you take no action and you pretty much quit, are the type of person who quits within a week, right? If you don't see tens of thousands really quickly, right? So I want to, of course, put this out there that, your results with anything that you do come down to what you put into it, right? It's not so much about, just signing up for something and then saying, okay, like where's the money at, right? Of course, there is some action that you would need to take, but I'm going to reveal exactly what is possible with this system, right? So here we have Justin Springer right here, who posted 2 posts on Facebook, and boom, $2,000 that he's earned right here, right? You see 2,500, but 500 is the admin fee, and then 2,000 is what he's earned right there. Here is a post for myself. I actually got 2 of these $25 commissions in a day. This is a $50 day that I had. So some days you'll make more, and others you'll make less. But here we have Julius, $100 commission right here. We have Scott Darvid, got a $300 commission. And what's really great about this exact system is this is helping not just people who've been in this make money online space for a while, but a lot of people in this group are completely brand new, right? And a lot of people are just getting started or haven't had much experience online in the past and are able to get these high-ticket $2,000 commissions, while a system does all the explaining, for you on your behalf, right? So as you can see, it just goes on and on. We have Jeff Ruiz, who got a $250 commission, and I also got one of these as well very recently. But we got Scott Dover with another $300 commission. We have Beatree, I believe that's how you pronounce the name, with a $25 commission. Here we have Joshua Elder with a $500 commission. And as you can see, the list just goes on. We have Garrett Berry with a $2,000 commission. Scott Darvid, in total with one income stream, has earned over $13K. Of course, I can't make any sort of guarantees. It depends on what you're willing to put into it. But the results with this exact system just goes on and on, right? And so the thing that I really want to emphasize with the system is the amount of newbies that are having 4-figure days online. Really think about that for a minute, right? If you were able to, okay, let me just put this out there, right? Let's say that you are someone that, you currently work a job. I'm going to assume that, let's say that you work 40 hours a week, right? And so every month you earn, like, say, anywhere from 3 to 4K per month, right? And so the question is, with these $1,000 commissions and these, $2,000 commissions right here, right? With these $2,000 commissions, how many of these do you realistically need to earn a full-time income online? For most people, it's only like a small handful of these that you need every month. So if your income goal is, let's say, $4,000 a month, well, in this case, you only need 2 of these per month in order to hit a full-time income. Now, when you think about it, that is quite life-changing right there, is when you have a system that allows you to earn these high-ticket paydays just like this right here, right? And so this is really the reason why this system is so powerful. And as you can see, there's tons of people constantly having these high ticket days online. We have Peter Barry, Zen, 2K commission, right? And as you can see, the list just goes on and on, right? You see this entire page right here is just filled with testimonials and people getting results. Tons of these $2,000 commissions that you see right here. So that being said, you see the power of the system, you see exactly what it can do for you, and I want to show you exactly how to get access. And of course, I will talk about the bonuses, which I've already mentioned one of them already. So to get access to the system, all you'll want to do is right below this video, there's the first link down below is going to take you over to a page that looks like this. And there's multiple different variants of this page, but this is just one of them that you see right here. So all you want to do is simply enter your email on this page right here. You want to click the button, and then that will take you over to a quick welcome video from the creator of the system himself. It's David right here. And then you'll see the testimonials down here. All you want to do is simply click this button to get on the webinar. And then this is going to explain more in detail about how the entire system works, how newbies are, of course, earning these big $2,000 commissions with it. And of course, how you could, of course, get these types of commissions for yourself, even as a complete brand new person online without any sort of previous experience or techie skills or anything along those lines. So you want to make sure that you watch the webinar all the way through because it shows you exactly, literally click by click, what to do. And once you reach the end of the webinar, you'll be prompted to create a free account with this exact system, which is called Profits Passport, right? So once you get logged in to your account, pretty much all there is to it is you just want to simply watch this quick video. And then the entire setup process right here is maybe 10 minutes. So all there is to it is you set up the 4 income streams that are inside. There's 4 of them that you can earn from. And so the first one right here is really the most important one. This is the one that will allow you to earn up to $2,000 commissions, like what I showed, right here in the group, right? So that is all mainly from this income stream right here. But also in addition to that, you could also earn some pretty big commissions from these other income streams as well. And so the benefit with this system is you could earn from 4 different programs simply by promoting one link. So all there is to it, you go through each income stream, you set up an account, and then you simply activate one of the packages that are inside. So for example, with the first income stream right here with E1U Life, you can start anywhere from $30 all the way up to $2,500, right? And so this allows you to earn commissions up to $2,000 right here. And so once you, of course, get your account activated and you, of course, get signed up to one of the levels, the one that I recommend most that people are having the most success with is the Vertex Live level right here. By the way, all of these are one-time payments. So whatever level that you come in at, you pay it just one time. There's no monthly fees. You have access to it for life. And you also get access to all the lower levels at no additional cost, as well as the ability to earn on that level over and over and over and over and over again, right? As you can see, like what I showed right here, right? So once you have that activated, you have that income stream activated, you just want to take your username to that. So you just copy this username that you've created and you just put it in the field right here and click save. And you now have that first income stream set up, and then you pretty much just do the same for the other 3 income streams. And by the way, one thing that I'll mention is you don't have to set up all of them right away. You could just set up just one of them if you want. The one that I, of course, recommend the most is the first one. You could literally just set up the first income stream alone and still do extremely well with this system, which is really great. So the first income stream alone can definitely earn you a lot. But once you have everything set up, really all there is to it is you just promote one link. You just get people over to this link. And if you could just commit to just learning one method to getting people over to this link, then you could do extremely well. So there's tons of different ways you could use to promote this exact system. One of which is happens to be income stream number 4 in here, which is traffic authority. If you want to do paid traffic and you just want to pay for clicks, you could literally do what's known as set it and forget it traffic, where you just select a package, put in your link down here, and then traffic authority will do the marketing for you on your behalf. So this is one way that you could go about it. And speaking of which, that brings me to another bonus that I want to give you when you decide to get started down below, is I'm willing to promote your Profits Passport link for you on your behalf when you, of course, decide to follow the steps that are on this page right here. So if you want to get free traffic from me, as in if you want me to pay money out of my own pocket and get some paid traffic running over to your link, all you have to do is simply go down below. You'll want to watch the webinar. So the webinar that I mentioned earlier in this video, down below. You want to watch this webinar. And then once you, of course, set up your Profits Passport account, which is step 2, you'll want to sign up to the first income stream, first one right here, at the highest level, which is the Vertex Live level inside of E1U Life, right? First income stream right here, you want to activate this level at the $2,500 level. And so what that allow you to do is it'll allow you to earn on this level right here and all the ones below it. And once you do that, all you have to do is simply send me a message on Facebook, Facebook Messenger with your Profits Passport link. And what I will do is I will take that link, I will come over to Traffic Authority, and I will give you a free bronze package at no cost to you, right? This will get you anywhere from 340 to 380 clicks, buyer clicks that you'll get over to your link. So I'll just get this. I will put in your link down here, and then I will complete the transaction on your behalf, right? So once you have this running, then this will, of course, get you some buyer traffic running over to your link. And what's also even better about this is this doesn't even include the other traffic bonus that David Deacle gives you when you, of course, decide to get. So I won't even mention really too much about what that is. You'll have to see in the webinar. He pretty much talks more about, you know, what that is. But all you want to do is simply go down below, check out the webinar, watch it all the way through, get started, get at the very least, get income stream 1 set up. Come in at the highest level that you can. Ideally, go straight for the Vertex Live level. And once you have this activated, again, one-time payment, you're able to earn on all the levels, you know, pretty much unlimited, at, you know, no monthly cost to you. And of course, you can continue earning on this level multiple times right here. And of course, once you have the system set up and you have my traffic bonus running to your link, what you do is just go to my free training right here, the other bonus that you get from me, and you can go straight to video 1, which is where I will show you how to get set up, and of course how to get the best of results with this exact system. So I'm literally going out of my way to ensure that you maximize your results with this exact system, and I put this together for a reason. I want you to really take this information and really get the best of results for yourself, so that of course you could, of course, ideally create the life that you want, and potentially this, you know, by me providing this, it helps me as well, as maybe you will, you know, give me a good testimonial, you know, so that of course helps me as well. And so it benefits both of us, you know, for myself to offer this to you, as well as the free traffic package that you're getting from me. So that being said, I believe this is a really great deal that you're getting when you decide to get started today. So again, all you have to do is go down below, go to this page, enter your email right here, watch the webinar, get signed up to the program, set up income stream number 1 at the very least. If you want, you could set up the other ones, completely optional. You could do that later on. You could do it, you know, whenever you want to, or you could just focus on the first one, completely up to you. And of course, once you have that set up, come right here, watch day number 1, and I will show you exactly how to get started. So that being said, go down below, get started today, and my friend, I will see you on the inside. Take care and all the best.